we're going to teach you about not spreading germs when you cough or sneeze. It's good to cover your mouth when you cough or sneeze, but not with your hands. Achoo! Oh, germs! A better way to do it is pretend like you're a vampire. Here's your cake. You'll sneeze. Achoo!